I really wanted to speak to those of you out there who are thinking of attending, and if you're someone who has, an immense amount of ideas and a concept, and you know what it is that you want to achieve in your business and how you want to help people, but you're just so stuck in your head and you just can't connect the dots on how to actually make it happen, then this is definitely the place to be. Nicola has helped me enormously to not only run through all of my ideas and discuss, what's possible for me and how it connects to my purpose and mission, but she's also helped me to put it into a concrete plan to build a business that is going to be sustainable and that will best showcase my skills and my passions and connect with my audience so that I can create the best transformation for them. So she completely gets what it is that I want to do. So if that's something that you feel that you need, then I highly recommend that you come to the retreat or get in touch with Nicola. She's a wonderful woman and she'll support you on your journey all the way. I love Nicola's approach. She's extremely knowledgeable. She's got a vast background and lots of experience, and she's got a really firm but fair approach. So she will keep you accountable. She'll help guide you along the way. If you're one of those people that like me who can overthink things, she'll definitely just cut through all that hubbub going on in your head and help you just say, look, this is what's a priority now, this is what's important. And she does it in such a loving and compassionate way, but she'll definitely keep you accountable so that you're getting stuff done. There'll be no excuses with her.